Welcome to Home Languages, and this class starts right now.
Nouns, singular and plural. A noun can refer to one or more than one person, animal, place, or thing. A noun that names one person, animal, place, or thing, it is called a singular noun. For example, pencil, girl, bird, school. A noun that names more than one person, animal, place, or thing, it is called a plural noun. For example, pencils with an S at the end, birds with an S at the end, girls, schools also with an S at the end. So we have pencils, birds, girls, and schools. And we add an S to most of the nouns to make it plural form, right? Add S to nouns that end in CH, SH, OS, SS, X, and Z to make it plural form. For example, church, churches, dish, dishes, tomato, tomatoes, bus, buses, dress, dresses, box, boxes, quiz, quizzes. If the singular noun ends in Y and the letter before is a consonant, remove Y and add IES to make it plural. For example, city, cities, country, countries. If the singular noun ends in Y and the letter before is a vowel, simply add an S to make it plural. For example, key, keys, donkey, donkeys. If the singular noun ends in F or FE, replace the F or FE with VES to make it plural. For example, leave, leave, knife, knife. Exceptions: roof, roof. Thanks for watching.